Welcome to the seminar and training center at MJ-Gerüst in Plettenberg. Hi, Siggy.
Hello, Stefan.
Today we want to introduce a new part that the clever viewer might already know from the Bummer. We already installed and presented it there, but now once more in detail. Siggy, there is our component. What is it and what do we do with it?
This is our double standard connector. I'll just take it out for a moment. As you can see, we have 4 wedge heads.
Yes.
So I can attach one standard here and one standard here.
So then would 2 standards become 1?
I've now linked 2 standards.
Yes.
Now you will say, of course, I can do that too.
I know it already. I said yes.
That is because you already know the double wedge head coupler.
Yes.
The double wedge head coupler only has one problem. The double wedge head coupler is nothing more than a short ledger.
Yes.
I imagine them longer now, like this, or this.
Yes.
And because that's the case, the structural engineer says it's a hinge.
That's a hinge?
Correct.
Okay.
Imagine if it weren't like this, but 40 centimeters, and I press on it, everyone knows.
A lever?
Then it happens as there's no moment support.
I get it.
I'll set this aside for just a moment, and let's take a much closer look at the double standard connector again, where it's actually installed. It is very securely and firmly connected to all 4 wedge heads through this square tube, and thus has its full support. And I can effectively transfer the heavy loads from one standard to the other.
Yes, that looks very solid. And the connection, well, it can of course be loosened again with a hammer, but for now it's very rigid and transfers the forces. But when do I need that, using 2 standards instead of 1?
As soon as I have to reinforce or strengthen any truss, all our scaffolds are trusses. As soon as you have standards and ledger and a diagonal, you have a truss. And of course, we are completely in the COMBI area here. It's all about COMBI here. And if I build bridges now, or taller structures,
Yes.
where the single standard can no longer sustain the heavy load coming from above, I can reinforce my standards with this.
At Bauma, where we presented the part for the first time, we built a 12-meter modular bridge where our visitors also stood on top. That became possible because of it, right?
It only became possible because of it, and I can even extend this bridge up to 20 meters.
What? Yes.
I can cross any federal highway with that.
Okay.
Standard railway track lines and so on, devoid of any specialized components, just this small component.
So I simply go ahead and take our modular construction kit, which is readily available to everyone, and take this special part, and then I'm able to go ahead and carry out the reinforcement, as you said, right?
For the same bridge, let's say, staying with the 20 meters, competitors would have 10 or 12 highly specialized components that I simply cannot use for anything else.
Just for this bridge?
Just for this bridge. Afterwards, they'll go somewhere, be put in storage for the next 10 years.
Okay.
Yes.
Don't need them that often. We're standing here at a part of our stair tower in the seminar and training center. That means you can use it on the stair tower as well.
Right, that's what we did. And over 30 meters, stair towers become difficult.
Yeah, difficult meaning in terms of statics?
In terms of stability, in terms of statics, and only because of this special part, we've built stair towers up to 65 meters high.
Okay. That's almost like a skyscraper for a stair tower. A very useful part for me, considering I knew nothing about it. I think I'll put one of those on my shelf too.
Go ahead and take one.
Yeah, all right. Thank you for the interesting excursions into the world of scaffolding. I hope you guys learned something too. Then definitely tune in again next time when Siggy explains a new component here.
Right.
See ya.
See you then.